What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Instagram that's for period, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm about to be doing a day in my life. I got quite a few little things on my agenda for today. I'm gonna go get my nails and my toes done. Hopefully my nigga will pay for that. He will. Right now I'm just getting ready, you guys. Like, I did my hair last night, so now I'm just gonna do my makeup and then get the show on the road. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to the channel if you want to get notified every time I post a brand new video, okay? Period. And let's get right into it.
From the ceiling for you, knew it from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hey y'all, so I did my makeup, y'all, and then I changed my outfit just because I was breastfeeding my son and the milk like spilled all over my clothes, so I had to take it off. So I just have on this two-piece outfit that I had got from a company a while back, but I'll try to leave the name on the screen if y'all like it and, you know, want to get it. But this is the outfit, y'all. Let's get on the road. What's up, y'all? So we're in Walmart right now. I'm gonna get baking supplies. Well, not baking supplies, I'm just gonna get a whisk, and then I'm gonna get the pan for the cake. Can you put these in your pocket? Cause that baby don't never wear them shoes. Y'all, I'm seeing everything but what you put the cake in. Girl, help me look, babe.
Make it like that.
Okay, y'all, so my man told me I can bake it in the aluminum foil thing, so we're gonna go to the dollar store and like get something like that instead of just wasting my money and like getting like one of them big bowls. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm actually in the dollar store. Y'all, so I just left the Dollar Tree and then I went to Chipotle to go get something to eat, me and my boyfriend. This is what I got, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got double steak, white rice and cheese, and then I also went to Chick-fil-A and got me a large lemonade. Like, this combination is undefeated, y'all. So after I'm done eating, I'm gonna go to the nail shop and go get my toes done. These Chinese people are real funny with who they let recording their stores, so I might sneak and get some clips on my phone or something, but it's not a guarantee that I'm gonna actually like record the process. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm back at the house. I'm gonna give y'all a haul of everything I got from Walmart and the dollar store, and then we're gonna bake when I get home. So I'm gonna take y'all along with. I'm gonna let y'all see me doing all that too. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the house. Now this is so good. Hey, bro, it's so good.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe.
Okay, y'all, so I just got home just now, and these are all the things that I got from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little haul, and then I'm gonna put some clothes in the washer and dryer, and then I'm gonna clean my kitchen, and then I'm gonna start baking. I also just put my son to sleep, so I have about like a good hour and a half to get all this done before he wakes up. So the first place is Walmart, and what I basically got from there was this double pack of body wash, Dove body wash. This is so good, y'all. This kind, it smells really good, and it just makes my skin feel super good. And it also has shea butter in it. Y'all know anything with shea butter in it, it's always good. Okay, so that's good. Next thing I got, y'all, was these whisks, because y'all know, like I told y'all, I'm gonna make cakes and brownies and all that stuff. So I did get these whips because I didn't have any. So I got this set of 3 for like $4.99 or something like that, but definitely could have got this from the Dollar Tree. Like I would have gotten a big one and a smaller one for like $2. So yeah, well, not the Dollar Tree, but like the $1.25 store now. Child, please. Okay, next things I got from Walmart, y'all, like I legit can't go nowhere and like not get my baby something. Like it's just in me to buy my son something, y'all. Like I just can't help it. So I got him 2 pajama sets. I got him this one right here. I forgot what this thing called, but this is basically for Halloween. And then y'all know his birth month is in Halloween time, so I got him that for that. But more likely his dad is gonna let him wear it way before that. But then I also got him like this Sesame Street one with the Cookie Monster. Like it's so freaking adorable. Like look how cute it is, y'all. Like it's so freaking cute. And this is a set of 4. Well, it's 2 sets with like 4 items on it. Last thing I got from Walmart is just these jeans that I seen for him. I think this is like a 2T, and they just look like this, y'all. And y'all, guess how much I paid for these jeans? I paid like $4.99 for these jeans. Like they were on sale, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like it feels like really good quality. So definitely run to your nearest Walmart if you have kids and like get them some jeans. Okay, period. Get them some clothes, period. Like one thing about it, my baby gonna wear whatever, okay? Cause he's a child. He don't know no name brands and stuff like that. And it's not like I don't have it. I have it like that. And his daddy definitely does. But it's just like, it's cute. He's a kid. I'm gonna get him stuff for Family Dollar, the Dollar Tree. Wherever I go and I see something cute for my son, I'm going to get it. Okay, period. Who gives a fuck? Yeah. Next store, y'all, is the Dollar Tree. So basically everything that I got from the Dollar Tree was basically like cooking supplies and stuff like that. Well, baking supplies. So I got this mitten for the oven because I was just using the rags that we have to take, because I did bake chicken this week. One day this week I baked chicken and I just used the rags. Next thing I have is just this thing to put my forks and my spoon, my utensils in. Basically when I'm cooking, I got this little black thing, and it also goes with the theme of my house, because my whole house is basically like black and white with like gold accessories, silver accessories, like everything black and white. Like I'm going to get it for my house. Okay, period. I also got this little shaver thingy to peel potatoes, tomatoes, whatever with skin. I got this at the Dollar Tree, so this is good, and this is definitely going to come in really handy. Also got my boyfriend some chocolate chip muffins. I'm gonna bake these for him real quick because he loves like anything chocolate chip. Like he really likes it, y'all. Like he loves it. I don't know what it is. I got me some old people candy. That's what my boyfriend called them, but it's just the Brothers original. Like, these are so good, y'all. Like, I don't care if it's old people candy or not. Like, I love these and I'm gonna keep eating them. Next thing I got is just this cream cheese frosting. Y'all know anything cream cheese, cheesecake, whatever, I am gonna get it. Like, I love cheesecake, anything with cheese in it, y'all. Like, I love it. Like, it's so good. Next two things that I got is not bacon related, but it's things that I really needed. Like, this is a lint remover for my clothes, and then this is just like a scrub to wash the bathroom with. Like, we really needed those. Like, I'm trying to order one of them things from Amazon where I don't have to get on all fours to scrub the bathroom, but hopefully I can find a good one, because it's a lot of flimsy ones and I don't want nothing like too flimsy or nothing like that. And then the last things I got, y'all, are just these muffin baker thingies. It's actually called a muffin pan. So I got two things of muffin pans. It's 6 holes, like in total. It's 6 on each, so it's gonna be like 12 muffins, y'all. I got this one for cake because I also did buy some cake mix from Walmart the other day when I had gotten, and then I bought 2 brownie things from there also, because the box of brownies I have, I don't think y'all can see them from right here, but it's like the ginormous one. Like, it's really the biggest one. So I'm about to make like 2 things of brownie. I'll probably send my mom one because she loves brownies. So yeah, and that's basically all that I bought from the store, you guys. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean my kitchen, start on the clothes, and then we're gonna start baking. Okay, period.
With me, you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when I lose swimming. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on, because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I pick myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I pick myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Tell me that I had seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her.
Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and all that good jazz. It's gonna be in the comment section down below, so make sure y'all go do that, period. And yeah.